Hey everybody, it's Carol with Refunction Crafts. Today's video is not going to be a tutorial, but it is going to be a video to talk about my giveaway for reaching our 2,000 subscriber mark. First of all, I'd like to say thank you so much to all of my subscribers, old and new, to those of you who have been around since day one. I greatly appreciate your support, and I'm so glad to have you here watching my tutorials, and I hope that I've been providing some good information for y'all to make some of your own projects. But today we're going to talk about the giveaway. So what I've done, normally I would do a tutorial and I would give away the item that I did the tutorial on. But today I'm going to do that a little differently than I had originally intended. And the reason for that is over this last week or so, we've had a lot going on here. I take care of my mother, who is 94 years old and has Alzheimer's. And so I've been taking care of her, and this last week a decision was made to place her on hospice. So we've had nurses and home health aides and social workers, chaplains, you name it. Everybody under the sun has been coming in and out of the house trying to get her set up. We'll have equipment delivered next week, and it's just been a lot of chaos. So while I had some time this morning, I thought, okay, I will go ahead and do this video. What I decided to do was, I have this altered watch here that is absolutely gorgeous, and this is what we're going to be giving away in this this giveaway this time around. I didn't say that right, but okay. So anyway, since we've reached our 2,000 subscriber mark, I am going to make this our giveaway item. And what I did in order to make the choice of using this piece here was, I had 3 pieces that I was actually considering. This one here is another necklace that I made recently, and actually I made it last night, and it has, trying to get it all squared away here so you can see what it really looks like. Okay, so it has 2 resin pieces with dried flowers in it. It is a necklace. It's a shorter necklace. And then it has all of these dangle charms that are dangled beads that I created to add to it. And then I had this piece as well. And this also is a necklace, and it's got a resin piece which is in the shape of a heart with a dried flower it's like a pink flower that's in the resin. And I'm sorry, I was trying to fix that. I decided to go with this piece because when I put these out to my Facebook group to help me decide which one I wanted to use for the giveaway, someone reminded me that the colors, since my mother has Alzheimer's, and the color of Alzheimer's awareness is purple, I decided on this piece because it has this beautiful purple flower up at the top, and I've put purple beads in it here, and the flower in the center is actually like a lavender color. So it goes with the theme of Alzheimer's, and this giveaway is going to be completely in honor of my mother. Mom's name is Margaret. Again, she's 94 and the sweetest, kindest person you ever want to know in your life. And so I wanted to do something in honor of her. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to give away this altered watch. This is one of my favorite altered watches that I've ever made. It's gorgeous. It has this pretty little silver hat hanging from it. It's got a lock and key and all of these beautiful dangle glass beads and things that are dangling from it, as well as these nice little pieces that are around the outside of the the altered watch face. And you can see from the back of it, it is just a watch face that I've used to make this. And it is a shaker piece as well. It's got little rhinestones and things on the inside that kind of shake around and make it even that much more interesting. So anyway, the way that the giveaway is going to work is that down in the comments section, I need each person that's interested in winning to make a comment in that comments drop-down menu, and also subscribe to my channel. Those are the two rules. Subscribe and make a comment. It doesn't matter what the comment is, whether it's I'd like to win that, or if you want to make a comment on the piece or one of these other pieces. Whatever that comment is, it doesn't matter. It will automatically enter you into the drawing as long as you're subscribed to the channel. So anyone who is already subscribed, just make that comment. If you're not subscribed, make sure you take care of that and hit that subscribe button, and then also hit the notification button so that you'll be notified when I do future videos. We reached 2,000 members last week, which was very exciting for me. Or 2,000 subscribers, I should say. And now, actually, this is why I was in such a hurry to do this. I'm actually almost up to 2,050 today, and I didn't want to wait any longer to get this started. Once I've posted this video, I will give you all 1 week to add your comments and to subscribe to the channel. And then next week at this time, I will do another video and I will announce the winner of the drawing. Now, the way that the drawing works is it's completely random. I use a program that is called Random Comment Picker through YouTube, and it's designed specifically for giveaways and drawings. So what I'll do is I'll have it set up, and I'll put the program in front of the camera here on my phone, and it will go through all of the comments from this video, today's video, and it will choose one person from those comments to win this prize. And so I'm going to pull these aside. So this is the item that will be the winning prize, and whoever gets this, I am absolutely 100% certain you're going to love this piece. It's absolutely amazing, and it'll make a great gift for yourself or a gift for someone else that you're looking to give something special to. I sell these in my Etsy shop, and they sell really, really well. Very popular items. And I have a couple of other ones in my shop. I think I only have a couple left in my shop right now. So I need to get on making some more of these. And then the other two pieces here, the other two necklaces, will also be in my Etsy shop after this video airs. But again, I do appreciate all of you for subscribing to my channel. I couldn't be here without you, and I'm hoping that we can grow the channel, continue to grow the channel so that I can get my videos out to more people and hopefully teach people how to do some really great projects. Make sure that if there's something that you would like to see me do, that you make a comment down below and let me know if you're interested in seeing something new that I haven't done before. I'm always game to try new things. So, and I love to try new things. So I'm always looking for something, the newest, latest, and greatest thing to do. And I'm working on some other stuff for some new videos that I want to do coming up. And then I wanted to show you all this because it's so super cute. This is a worry doll that I made. Technically, I don't know if you can call it a worry doll because worry dolls are generally just made out of toothpicks and embroidery floss, and then a couple of other little things that you can add to them. This one is made from toothpicks as the legs, and then beads and other things that I've added to it. I've beaded the arms so that they'll move and flex. And then she's carrying this cute little handbag and her cute little key because she's got to get in the house. But anyway, the premise behind these little worry dolls is that at night, at the end of the day, when you've got all your worries on your mind, you give all your worries to this worry doll and you place her under your pillow and she takes your worries away. So that's that. There's a little saying that comes with these when you buy them. And in fact, I'm going to be making some more of these and putting them into my Etsy shop. But I'm trying to come up with some new ideas and different ideas for things to do with them. So this is the only one that I've made so far, and this one is mine. I'm keeping her. And right now, with all the worries and things that we've got going on here, I figured I needed my own worry doll. So, so she will be kept at home with me and under my pillow at night, and I'll give her my worries and I'll feel better. Anyway, you guys, I just on a side note, I'm really, really blessed to be able to take care of my mom in her journey, in her final days, and I hope to be the daughter that she would expect me to be, in taking care of her. And I know how lucky I am to be able to have this opportunity, so I wouldn't trade it for the world. Your prayers and well wishes are greatly appreciated. If you are a praying person, we would love to have your prayers. And again, I appreciate y'all being here and watching my videos and going through this journey with us. So I'll probably be telling stories about my mom through the coming videos, just a little bit here and there. I won't try to bore y'all with too much, but she's she's always been a very, very sweet person. One of those people that, never said a cuss word, never hurt anybody in her life. And she has she always took such good care of me and my brothers and sister, and we all appreciate her so much, and we're so happy to still have her in our lives. So anyway, don't forget, I'm going to end this video now before I get myself too excited here. I'm going to end the video, but I just want to remind you, make sure you subscribe, make sure you do your comments in the comment section, and I look forward to hearing from all of you, and I look forward to doing the raffle next week and seeing who's going to win that beautiful prize right there, that beautiful, beautiful altered watch charm. And this is actually, just so you guys know, it's actually made to be a purse charm. It's got this hook at the top to hang from a purse, but you could do other things with it as well. Y'all take care, have a blessed day, and we'll be talking to you real soon. Bye-bye.